Hey yo, what's the deal, my people? Hope y'all doing good out there, man. Now, I know I haven't posted in a while. It's been like 2 years, you know, but I appreciate you guys, man. I appreciate y'all. A lot of people found value in the way older videos I've been doing, which is crazy, man. But still a lot of questions out there. People asking me like, yo, is the information still valid? Does it still work? Is synthetic urine still the best way to pass the test? I understand, man. I understand you got that job offer, I mean, and you got to pass this silly drug test, and you want to do what's right, right? So, I've been doing good in regards to, you know, the drug test and stuff, because I had a position that lasted for a year. It was a contract position. I wasn't drug tested throughout there, but once I got off that, I had a few interviews that required drug testing, and I had 2 drug tests, passed both of them. You know, it was a urine test, passed both of them, and I made it happen, man. And in this video, I kind of want to talk about, you know, that process, what I was using and stuff. So I want to talk about sub-solution synthetic urine. Still by far the best way to pass the urine test is synthetic urine. That's the best way. And sub-solution, they know it. They know this stuff, man. They've been in the game for what, 16 years? 16 years successfully, you know. So obviously they know what they're doing. Like, they have all the ties. Like, they know exactly what you have to do in order to pass this drug test, right? So, and I think they have like 11 different chemicals inside their solution that makes for the consistency, that makes for the color, and that makes for even the smell of what actual urine could be, right? And that's why they've been successful for all of these years. You know, put them up against pretty much any of the other synthetic urines, and they're gonna come out on top. I mean, like, that's just something that they pride themselves on, you know, and they've been killing it, man. And in fact, a lot of y'all don't know that, you know, these labs are getting, let's say they're getting smarter, right, in regards to the test. So I looked up a video the other day on YouTube, and it was talking about how to spot synthetic urine, how to spot it, right? And they had this this guy on there, and he was kind of going through it, right? And he was pretty much testing it for various things. Like, he was testing to see the color of urine, to see if the color is there, to see if the consistency is there, to see if it produces foam, like to see if it has a smell, right? And I say this to tell you guys that, you know, labs are getting smarter, and, you know, they know how to spot those fake, over-the-counter, cheap synthetic urines that a lot of you are getting, you know. I don't know why you guys are still getting this stuff. You know, it's cheap for a reason. Like it's just not gonna work. And the thing is, in regards to price, really quick, like, I had people in the past, like way in the past, complaining about price and things like that. So, oh, this is too high. I'm like, what? I'm like, how is this too high? And I always put this into perspective. Let's say you got a job offer and you have to take this test, right? Great job. And let's say the test is, let's say the synthetic urine, let's say it's $300. Hypothetically, you know, that's not the price of sub-solution, but let's say it's $300. Would you not invest in that in order to get that job? Because you're gonna make that money back in that job anyway. And if you fail the test, you're not gonna get the job, and you're gonna be back where you were. I mean, so at the end of the day, the money part is not even the important part. It's a small investment on your future. That's exactly what it is. But anyway, man, back to sub-solution. So as I mentioned, they've been in the game for a long time now, and they're really making it happen, right? They really finding ways to identify themselves from the competitors, and it's been able to show. So I'm gonna have a link to everything, man. All of the links and all that in regards to sub-solution. I really want you guys to check it out, man. All the instructions are going to be there on how to use it. Everything that comes in the package, everything is going to be there, right there, so you can check it out and you can follow the instructions step by step. I mean, like, it's all there for you. I'm gonna have a link to everything there, and it's super easy to use, man. Super easy to use. Like, if you use it correctly and follow those instructions on the page, there's no way you can fail it. There's really no way, right? I took it, my buddy took it, and we both had test from, what's that company? LabCorp, which is a very notable lab. in regards to drug testing, right? Like, they are pretty, they on the ball when it comes to this stuff, man. And it was able to pretty much pass it with flying colors, like seriously, and it's crazy. So make sure you guys check it out. And even if you buy 2 bottles, it's still not that expensive. I actually recommend you getting 2 bottles because you want to test it to see if you can pass it, you know, at your crib or at your house or whatever. Because you kind of want to do a trial run so you know exactly what you're getting into, right? So it comes with the heat activator and all that, like the heat activated powder. It comes with everything you need, man, in order to pass the test. So make sure you guys check that out, man. It's been working. Sub Solution is amazing, and they be making it happen, man. So as I mentioned, recommend 2 bottles so you can take one at home, get some practice in, and then once you have that, you feel like you're ready to go, then you'll be all good, man. So once again, the link's gonna be in the description. Make sure you guys check out marijuana101.org as well. Check them out for more information on exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, man, that wraps it up. I appreciate you guys for watching. You know, I've been you know, doing crazy research on this stuff for a while. So you know, and I've been a personal guinea pig to what I've been preaching, and it's been working, you know, and it's been working for friends of mine. And I hope you guys find success, man. So any questions, make sure you drop those in the comments. And, you know, all love, man. See y'all soon.